How to make Snapchat account private. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make Snapchat account private. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, there is not a private account button in Snapchat unlike Instagram. However, there are a few settings that can be changed in order to make your account more private. So tap on your Bitmoji on the left of your screen and further tap on the settings button on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and under privacy controls, you will see the option for my location. Tap on that and further toggle on the button for ghost mode, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on any of the options depending on how long you want your account to be private. Next, go back and tap on View My Story, and if you do not want all your friends to view your story, then tap on the Custom option and select only the people whom you want to share your story with. You can also block them by viewing your story. Now go back and tap on the Contact Me option and select the most appropriate option for you. Lastly, tap on the See Me in Quick Add option and then toggle off the button for Show Me in Quick Add, and this is how you can make Snapchat account private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.